Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Light for Blind. This video is about important questions and answers relating the history of Pakistan from 1947 to present. Question: Who was appointed as the first Muslim Advocate General of the Punjab? Answer is Sheikh Shabir. Question: When was Pakistan admitted as a member of the United Nations? Answer is 30th September 1947. Question: Who was the Minister for Food and Agriculture in the first cabinet of Pakistan? Answer is Raja Ghazanfar Ali Khan. Question: Who was appointed as the first Pakistan's ambassador to Iran? Answer is Qazi Isa. Question: Who was appointed as Pakistan's first ambassador to USA? Answer is A.H. Isfahani. Question: Who was the Secretary of the Indian Ministry of State at the time of partition? Answer is V.P. Menon. Question: Elections for the first Constituent Assembly of Pakistan were held in. Answer is 1946. Question: Pakistan became member of World Bank in. Answer is 1950. Question: Pakistan's first cabinet was sworn in on. Answer is August 15, 1947. Question: Who held the portfolio of Minister of Communications in the first cabinet of Pakistan? Answer is Sardar Abdur Rab Nishtar. Question: First cabinet of Pakistan consisted of dash including Prime Minister. Answer is 7 members. Question: The Objectives Resolution was presented in the Constituent Assembly on 7th March 1949 by. Answer is Liaquat Ali Khan. Question: Constituent Assembly declared Urdu and Bengali as official languages on. Answer is 3rd January 1954. Question: On 24th October 1954, Constituent Assembly was dissolved by the Governor General of Pakistan. Answer is Mr. Ghulam Muhammad. Question: Pakistan became member of NAM in. Answer is 1979. Question: Basic democracy system in Pakistan was introduced in. Answer is October 1959. Question: First martyr of Pakistan movement Khwaja Muhammad Sharif was of. Answer is Ludhiana. Question: Canal Water Pact with India was signed on. Answer is 4th May 1948. Question: In dash Pakistan got Siachen under the Karachi Agreement. Answer is July 1949. Question: When did Jinnah visit East Pakistan as Governor General? Answer is March 1948. Question: When did the Constituent Assembly of Pakistan adopt a resolution presented by the government for formally proclaiming Karachi as capital of the Dominion of Pakistan? Answer is May 1948. Question: Muhammad Ayub Khoro government was dismissed in. Answer is April 1948. Question: Who was appointed as the first chief of the Pakistan Refugee Commissioner? Answer is E.D.V. Moss. Question: Who was the first chief minister of East Bengal? Answer is Khwaja Nazimuddin. Question: Quaid-e-Azam died on September 11, 1948 due to. Answer is cardiac arrest. Question: Quaid-e-Azam passed away at 10:20 p.m. in Governor General House, Karachi and buried on. Answer is 12th September 1948. Question: Dash of mourning was announced on Qaid's death. Answer is 40 days. Question. Who was the successor of Quaid-e-Azam as Governor General? Answer is Khaja Nazimuddin. Question. Dash committee was set up by the Constituent Assembly to frame a draft constitution. Answer is Basic Principles. Question. Basic Principles Committee presented its report in. Answer is September 1950. Question. Planning Board turned into Planning Commission in the year of. Answer is 1952. Question. Landlordism was abolished in East Bengal in the year of. Answer is 1950. Please subscribe this channel and like and share the video.